What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am still in Nevada doing some hiking and visiting some family. Now, if you haven't seen my last video where I take you in the desert into the bowl of fire in the Lake Mead National Conservation Area, definitely check that video out. I think you're really gonna like it. This time around, I'm not taking you in the desert again. I am taking you here in the mountains. I am in the Spring Mountains National Conservation Area near Mount Charleston, where I'm going to be checking out the Eagle's Nest Loop Trail. Now, you know, with a name like that, this is going to be an awesome trail with some great views. And of course, I'm really excited because I got my drone with me and I can't wait to get some aerial views. Now, this trail should be way more comfortable than the bowl of fire because there's trees on the mountains here, which means more shade. So that should be really nice. All right, guys, if you're ready to see some great views, let's get going. All right, guys, I think I'm in a really good spot right here to break out the drone, and really excited to get some aerial footage of Eagle's Nest. So this should be pretty spectacular. All right, guys, I am almost back to the trailhead. There you have it, Eagle's Nest Loop, right here in the Spring Mountains National Conservation Area near Mount Charleston. If you are visiting Las Vegas, this is only a 45-minute drive from the Strip. So if you want to take a break from all the casinos and you want to see awesome nature and views, then definitely check out Eagle's Nest Loop. I had a really fun time on this trail, and I'm glad I was able to get some really nice aerial shots with the drone. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, where I post some cool pictures of my hikes, and check out my website, wondermountainsoap.com. All the links are in the description. If you haven't seen my previous video where I take you into the bowl of fire, I'll leave a link for that as well. And of course, subscribe to the channel, continue to adventure with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.